Samsung Android device. Right now, it's going to ask you to set a password for the USB storage, and this is a unique password that's not linked to any accounts. So what that means is if you forget this password, then plug a USB stick into your new device, you will not be able to recover any of that data unless you still have your old device with you. That's why it's very important that you write this password down somewhere and tap this little eye icon so you can see what the password is to make sure you write it down correctly. Now the good news is if for some reason you still had your old device with you, you can just go through this backup process again and create a new password that you can remember. If your previous device was a Samsung device, it's going to encrypt the data using your Samsung account. So all you need to do is log into your Samsung account on the new device and you'll be able to decrypt the data. Once you're done setting your password, if you have a non-Samsung phone, tap OK, and you'll be asked to enter it one more time, then tap OK again, and it'll start backing up all your data. On the Samsung side of things, just tap OK, and it'll start backing up the data here. Once it's done backing everything up, you'll see your backup results, then just tap Next, and it'll show you that you're all set. On the Samsung side of things, you get this Samsung Cloud option, and if you tap this, you get the option to sync all of these things to your Samsung Cloud to transfer more data automatically when you get your new Samsung device. Once you're done selecting what you want to transfer here, tap Back, then tap Done on both devices. The last step, once the data is transferred to the USB stick, is to pull down your notification shade and eject the USB drive to remove it safely. And just like that, all your data is ready to transfer to your new device using a USB stick. Now let's take a look at the setup process on the Fold 4 and see what extra data can be transferred when you connect your old device directly to the Fold 4. The first thing you want to do when you turn your Fold 4 on is check the battery life. If you have a lot of data to transfer, then you're going to want more than 60% battery on your new device. So if you see that it's less than 60%, go ahead and plug in to charge it while you go through the setup process. While that's charging, I can go ahead and transfer my SIM card into the new device. If you have your old device with you, you can take the SIM card out of that device and transfer